So once again, welcome you all in today's video, guys. Now today we'll discuss about the top IHM versus the placement stars and the top recruiters, and also we'll discuss about the salary packages. So why you should target the top institutes to get the good placement packages and the salary packages and also the great career growth. Okay guys, so my target the top institutes only. So watch this video till the end to get each and every detail about which are the top institutes you should target और वहां आपको कितना पैकेजेस मिलेगा guys. And also we'll talk about the recruiters जो आपको उठा ले जाएंगे उस particular IHM से and will make your career set. Okay guys, so watch this video till the end. Before moving further, guys, we have launched the batches for all hotel management entrance exams. So if you want to join, you can join for the NCHM City JEE to enter into the IHM. You can enroll for the ECHAT to get entered into the IHM. You can also prepare for the IHM Aurangabad. Okay guys, now if you want a preparation for 2022 and 23, you can interact live with us. You can order the books. You will learn various shortcut tricks. All doubts will be solved. You will get access for the recorded videos, topic tests, full length mock tests. WhatsApp group will be made where you can share all your doubts. And throughout this period, you will solve around 10,000 plus questions. So lot of data for the practice purpose, guys, because practice makes the perfect. And guys, you will also get the mentorship. So what are you waiting for? Book your seat right now. Call on 8828581455 or you can visit our website manualdu.com/hotel management. Now let's discuss which top institutes you should target and what are the packages you will get and who are the top recruiters. Okay guys, so guys, here I listed the top 10 IHM. Okay, if you are preparing for 2021, even for 22 and 23, guys, you should target all these institutes first. Okay, out of all those 21 IHM, guys, target for this top 10. Okay, very first one, the IHM Pusa, the number 1 ranking. IHM Mumbai, thereafter Bangalore, Goa, Gandhinagar. Gandhinagar is nothing but the IHM Ahmedabad. IHM Kolkata, IHM Hyderabad, Lucknow, Chennai, and Bhopal. So your target should be all these colleges. Now, highest package you will get in IHM Pusa is 6.5 lakh per annum. Now guys, these all are the starting range packages. Now guys, with respect to the lowest packages, might be you will get some low figures. You might be fine below all these figures, but don't worry guys, after all the facilities, you will get a good amount, 2.16 to 2.45 lakh per annum. Okay, so these all are the starting range. Now, if you will have relevant experience in your field, then guys, definitely you will get more than these all figures. So because in hotel industry, you have to set your career stepwise. At first stage, day after second, day after third, day after fourth, and so on. Okay guys, so from where you will start? From the training part, might be you got the internship, might be if you are capable and you are converting your internship into the permanent job, then it's good, such as the OCDL from the Oberoi and also from the Taj and the Marriott and from the Accor. Okay, various internship programs are launched by these all recruiters. Thereafter, you will be moved to the housekeeping part, different package for reception, then the managerial level, then some of the operation level, then the management level. Okay guys, so you have to move step by step. So don't worry about the placement, guys. Might be due to the pandemic. Everyone is confused with respect to the career growth in all these industries. But friends, don't give up from your career path. Definitely you will get the great career growth in the hotel industries. So if your aim is to enter into the hotel industry, guys, you should prepare for the NCHM City JEE first, because after that only you will get entered into the IHM and then you will get these all packages and you might be start your career with all these top recruiters such as the CCD, Godrej Nation, Cinepolis, Ambi Valley, Leela, Marriott, Hyatt, etc. So a lot of recruiters are there. Okay guys, almost 40 to 45 recruiters visit each year in IHM Pusa, same in IHM Mumbai and Bangalore. Thereafter, some of the less number of recruiters are visit each year in all these IHMs, might be 20 to 30 to 35. Okay guys, now with respect to the IHM Mumbai, then 6.5 the highest package, 1.90 to 2.35 lowest package. Okay, top recruiters are Thomas Cook, Moderna Garments, ITC, and various companies are there. Okay guys, so don't worry about the placement at all. Okay, Thomas Cook offered around 14 offers. Okay, and Moderna Garments around 26 offers. Now IHM Bangalore 5.5, lowest 1.80 to 2.16, and the top recruiters are ITC, Oberoi, Accor, BMI, KFC, and etc. Now the IHM Goa, guys, if you got the IHM Goa, then don't be confused. शायद मैं किसी और IHM में एडमिशन ले लूँ और some private colleges में एडमिशन ले लूँ, guys. Not at all, guys. This is the tourist destination. So यहाँ बहुत सारे organizations है, even the hotels, restaurants are there जो top notch भी है, and some of the medium organization जो अच्छा पैकेज भी आपको देंगे. So guys, if you are in IHM Goa, तो गोवा छोड़ के तो मत जाओ, guys. Definitely, you will get the top recruiters visit each year. Some of the top recruiters like Taj, Oberoi, Marriott, Hyatt, Lalit, all these are at Goa और वो गोवा में भी आते हैं guys और वो आपको उठा ले जाएंगे guys in their respective place जहाँ आपका career set हो सकता है. So if you got the IHM Goa, don't think because lot of students have the question on the same, sir IHM Goa मिला है, should I upgrade it or should I choose some other private colleges? सोचना नहीं है guys. If you got the IHM Goa, that means you are lucky. Okay, top 10 IHM, कोई भी IHM मिल जाएगा guys, you are lucky. Okay, so next one, packages 5.1 highest package, lowest 1.88 to 2.16. Now with respect to Gandhinagar, IHM Ahmedabad 4.92, 1.8, 2.08. These are the top recruiters: Aditya Birla, Oberoi, Leela, Accor, IGI and Hyatt. So in IHM Ahmedabad, the Aditya Birla, the 60% offers are made by the Aditya Birla last year. Let's talk about the IHM Kolkata, 4.76. Lowest is 1.8 to 2. These all are the top recruiters. IHM Hyderabad 4.6, Lucknow 4.25, Chennai 4.45 and IHM Bhopal 4.36. Okay guys, so these all are the highest packages, the lowest packages, and these all are the top recruiters respectively. Okay guys, so if your aim is to make your career in the hotel industry or the hospitality industries, guys, you should target these all top IHM. Okay guys, so this is all from the today's video. Still, if you have any doubts and queries, guys, you can ask me in the below comment section and we'll try to answer all of your queries. So that's it from the today's video. So guys, if you want a preparation for all hotel management entrance exams, you can prepare with us. You can call on 8828581455 or you can also call on all these respective numbers. Okay guys, so prepare for NCHMCT JEE, ECHAT, IHM Aurangabad and etc. You can join our live classes, classroom preparation, you can order books, mock, GD, VAT or interview program, and you can also enroll for the mentorship programs. For all exam updates and the notifications, you can follow our social media handles such as the YouTube, Facebook, Insta, and you can also join our Telegram group. So all link I mentioned in the description, kindly check those links and don't forget to subscribe our new YouTube channel, Manual Hotel Management. So this is all guys. All the best for your preparation. See you in the next video.